Okay, so we've got this kickboxing thing that it's talking about here. It says the weight of everything there without any sand in it is 270 pounds. And then it tells us that we are going to uh, fill up the base with sand. It gives us a couple of dimensions here, 18 inches by 20 inches. And then it tells us that dry sand weighs this much per cubic foot. So now notice inches, inches, feet. So we need to do this first. 1 foot, 12 inches, x feet, 18 inches. So 12x equals 18. X equals 1.5. So that's going to be that dimension. And then the other one is 20. So it's going to be 1 foot, 12 inches, x feet, 20 inches. So 12x equals 20 is 1.6. Repeating again, I'm going to hit the math button and turn it into a fraction. So it's going to be 5/3. So x equals 5/3. So there's my two dimensions for the bottom. So instead of 18, it's going to be 1.5. And instead of 20, it's going to be 5/3. Now I got to find the volume of that thing so I can fill it up full of sand. So volume is pi r squared h. The height is definitely 1.5. The radius is half of this. So I have to do 5/3 divided by 2. I'm going to do that right in the calculator. So 5/3 divided by 2 gives me 5/6. So that's going right in the squared part. So let's take this and put it into the calculator. Start over again. Pi times 5/6 squared times 1.5. So my volume is 3.272. Now, that's if it's full all the way. It says it's only full to 85%. So I need to multiply this times 0.85, which is 2.781. That's the volume that we're going to fill up full of sand. And then it says up here that we have 95.46 pounds for each cubic foot. This is how many cubic feet I have. So I'm going to multiply that by 95.46, and that's going to give me how much the sand is going to weigh, which is 265.53 repeating. That's the sand, and then at the very beginning it told us that the thing weighed 270 before we put anything into it. So then add the 270 back on, 535.53. And then it wanted the grand total to be nearest pound, so 536. Again, there's a lot going on in that problem. You have to take it step by step, and it's worth a lot of points when you have one like this.